Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Wix Owner app. First, let's understand what the Wix Owner app is and why it's essential for your business. This powerful mobile application allows you to manage your entire Wix website and business operations directly from your smartphone or tablet. You can easily download it from any major app store, like the Apple App Store or Google Play, and simply log in using your existing Wix account credentials to get started immediately. With the Wix Owner app, your business is always at your fingertips, giving you unparalleled flexibility. You can effortlessly update your website's content, add new products, or modify existing ones with just a few taps. It also allows you to manage all your bookings and appointments, ensuring you never miss an opportunity. Plus, you can track your sales performance and view crucial site analytics like visitor numbers directly from your device, providing valuable insights into your business's health. Building strong customer relationships is vital, and the Wix Owner app makes it incredibly easy. You can communicate directly with your customers through live chat or messages, providing quick support and personalized interactions. The app also allows you to manage your entire customer database, keeping all contact information organized. Furthermore, you can create and send targeted promotions or important updates to specific customer groups, fostering loyalty and driving repeat business with just a few clicks. Beyond the core management, the Wix Owner app offers advanced features to help your business thrive. Explore powerful marketing tools to create campaigns, send newsletters, and boost your online presence. The app integrates smoothly with other Wix services, like Wix Bookings or Wix Stores, providing a unified experience. Remember to regularly check for updates to ensure you're always utilizing the latest features and improvements, helping you maximize your business's potential and stay ahead of the competition.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.